These are the two MiFi routers that you can get in Uganda today that offer unlimited data monthly, right? If you want it to use for the business, for home, for personal use, these are the two best ones that I can recommend. Okay, they offer unlimited internet, and the good thing with them, you can both move with them. Okay, they are not like these other companies in Uganda that offer unlimited internet, but you can only use it at home. These ones you can use it anywhere. So we have the MTN Wakanet, and then we have the Airtel Smartbox 5G. I'm going to be giving you the pros and cons so that you get to know which one you need to use, okay, and which one is better, and which one I am using currently if you're watching this video in 2024. We are going to start with the MTN Wakanet. What are the pros? Portability. Okay, if you compare MTN with Airtel, this is more portable than this. Why? This comes with another luggage of a power bank. The smart box can only be used when it has this power bank. Without this power bank, you cannot use it. That is the first pro, that MTN has an advantage over Airtel. The second one, as you know, in 2024, even iPhone users were forced to switch to the Type-C charging type. The MTN router comes with a Type-C charging port, while the Airtel one, the Airtel Smartbox, uses a pin. So without this pin, you cannot power this thing. If you are going to move with your internet, maybe you could still use it. You can use it at home. At the same time, you can use it at work. Okay? That is why I would personally recommend, if you're in Kampala, I would personally recommend MTN because of the user experience I've got with it. Its internet never breaks down, usually even during the day or during any peak hours. But when I was using the smart box, sometimes the internet used to go off. Okay, in town, in the buildings, it goes off and you can no longer connect. But they all have a 130 monthly subscription, of which it is unlimited. You can download anything you want, movies, music, anything. You can upload, you can stream, okay? Because they give you 10 Mbps for 130, which is a fair price, I would say. So if you want to get a piece of this, you can check my number, it is in the description. But you need your national ID for you to be registered, the original one, the national ID, and then they'll register it for you, and every month you'll have to pay 130. If you go to MTN, they'll charge you 130 and the registration is free. You'll get this for free. You only pay 130 monthly and you get the kit for free. You don't have to pay for this. Unless you want me to recommend you someone to come and register for you instead of visiting the Airtel offices, you'll have to pay 150. Okay? For that special service. If you're very far, I'm sorry, you even have to pay more. But you are getting this kit for free. When you pay the 130, it comes as the monthly bundle for your package. It is a startup bundle for your package. So you can choose whichever you want, but as I personally, I recommend the MTN Wakanet for your internet needs. If you need something at home and at work, this is something that I would recommend. Remember, this is the only channel that reviews gadgets that you can use in your daily life, and we use them too. So remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. Gadgets Uganda tuba tusimbudde.